At the bottom of every ChatGPT conversation, you're going to notice that there is a narration area where you can get ChatGPT to read aloud what it is that you have generated. And so if your learning style is more auditory, you can control how ChatGPT delivers the information that it generates for you. You do have control over the voice that reads to you. If you go inside of your settings area, you can then change the voice here in this area and you can test the voice. So if you want to change the voice, you can play it to determine if it's one that you want to hear. Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're gonna... Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground. Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. And so you can control how the AI will sound when it reads the information that it has given you. If you click this element, you will get the AI to read aloud. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has rapidly evolved since its initial release, with significant advancements shaping its future trajectory. Multimodal capabilities. In May 2024, OpenAI introduced GPT. So you can get ChatGPT to read aloud and you can take in the information using auditory. It's important to note that when you have this audio being read to you, the ChatGPT read aloud audio is a feature designed for non-commercial use only, and that this is stated in the terms. So this is not something that you want to use in order to record to use in your commercial projects. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.